way in this world. It's about time you recognize that. And if you didn't know, here's a little story gonna set you straight. It's all about the St. James Infirmary Blues. Oh yeah, folks, I'm going down to the St. James Infirmary to see my baby there. She's lying stretched out on a long white table. Oh yeah, she is. Oh, so good, so calm, so fair. I gotta let her go. I gotta let her go. God bless her. Yeah, 'cause no matter where she may be, oh, she can search this wide world over, but she ain't never gonna find another sweet man just like me. Oh, folks, when I die, bury me in my straight leg breeches. Put on a box back coat and my Stetson hat. Oh, yeah. Tell you what, hang a $20 gold piece on my watch chain, there it is. So all the fellas know that I died standing pat. Hey, give me 6 crap shooting pallbearers. Oh, sneak eyes. And give me 6 curry girls to sing the song. Tell you what, give me the Harley White Junior Jazz Band on my tailgate so we can raise some hallelujah as we go along. Raise some hallelujah real quick now.